Hello everyone, I'm Kaushik from India and this is my final project for CS50's programming with Python. I have built a research paper recommended as a Python CLI tool using Arcsafe's API and NLTK, the Python library for natural language processing, along with scikit-learn, a popular framework in machine learning used to build a small recommendation system. Okay, now let's see what it does. So these are the slides that talk us through what's happening in the project. Let me briefly touch upon these things and then let's jump into the live demonstration of the project. So let me then demonstrate the project in live action. So this is the project.py code that I've written where we've used Arcsafe's API to query some research papers, and also we've used NLTK and sklearn to build the recommendation system that we desire. Now I'll be showing you two ways that this tool works, like two different ways in which we can provide the input. One is in the form of a file where we have abstract or some other content. So this is a abstract of a research paper that's already in Arcsafe. So we are going to use this in one test case and then we are going to give a normal input. So let me just open CLI to give you a live demonstration. And just so you can see that this is working as expected, let's also run a PyTest to see if everything is working. Now the most important thing, let's get into the folder and then let's run this python project.py with, as I said, the input demo file first. So let's just say file demo file.txt, and yeah, input received successfully. How many papers would you like to fetch? Let's keep it by default. Let's all have the default choices and let's see the results. So recursive self-aggression unlocks deep learning, deep thinking in large language models. So this is the paper that I've copied the abstract of, and as you can see the relevance score is also very high, meaning it found the correct file. And there is also this option to export the results to a CSV file, and let's just say yes and let it be the default, and we can also see the results over here. Now I'm also told that we can give an input, so let's also try that. Let's write python project.py this time without any arguments, right? And so this prompts us to give in text input or file input. Let's just say text. Then I can type in some keywords like deep learning, AI, ML, or let's just say GANs. Okay, and let's just hit enter and then let it be the default setting. Then we can see we've received some papers related to this, and there's this 70.75% accuracy which talks about deep ReLU neural networks, right? And that is the demonstration for research paper recommender. I thank everyone at CS50 and my special thanks to David J. Milne. Signing off, this is CS50.